Before you start cleaning the glass, make sure the stovetop is cool to the touch. If you have a hood fan, turn it on now. Spray the cooktop with Dawn Power Wash. Next, use a wet sponge or an SOS pad to scrub off any burnt spots. You can use a soft cloth to wipe away the Dawn. You might need to repeat this step a few times to get rid of all of the burnt spots. So we've cleaned the whole entire glass cooktop and it looks fantastic. The only problem is we have a nice center ring here of cooked on crud. Generally, this is always on like the favorite burner, the one that you use all the time. So we're gonna spend a little bit of extra time and spray some oven cleaner on it. It's a really good, quick, easy hack to get that lifted up. Generally, we like the yellow heavy-duty can of Easy Off for this. It's safe for glass. All right, so give it a good shake, and then just be careful as you're spraying it that you're not getting it on your counters. This stuff is serious business. And let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll scrub it off. Use your sponge to scrub away the hardened, stuck-on, burnt spots. Then wipe away the Easy Off with a soft cloth. Finally, polish the glass with Windex and paper towel to remove any streaks.